Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily drag or drop a video file on your Adobe Premiere Pro without having a problem of not showing audio or video part of that video. So let's get started. So here first of all we need to open our Adobe Premiere Pro, and here you see it is open in front of us. Now we are going to drop our video file, drag or drop our video file on the Adobe Premiere Pro timeline. And here you see the audio part is only showing and video part is not showing here. So how we can able to see both the parts of that video? So here you see we have two options here, V1 and A1. So if we have checked V1, so when we are going to drop that video file, only the video part of that file will be show on your timeline. So if we want both, just check these V1 and A1 and just drag and drop that video file on your timeline. And this is that's all the problem. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.